Welcome back to the channel. I'm the Vegas Ranger, and today I'm going to tell you how you can save money using this to clean this. All right, so this is kerosene, and I'm going to use it to clean my air filter for my KCM 500 EXC, which is full of dust. I'm also going to use it to clean this cotton pre-filter. So a brand name air filter cleaner, which is roughly about 8-9 ounces, is going to run you about 20 bucks. It's kerosene. You get 32 ounces for about 12 bucks on Amazon. And I'm going to show you how to clean it. There's just going to be an extra step because after we wash away all the oil with the kerosene, we're going to have to take it to the sink with soap and water to get the kerosene cleaned out of the air filter. All right, so I'm just going to throw the air filter and the pre-filter in a tub. Take the kerosene. And just liberally pour it onto pre-filter and my air filter. We're just going to massage this in. I mean, most of it's come off already. I'm not worried about using too much kerosene because I'm just going to leave the leftover kerosene that I used in the bucket and I'm going to reuse it again. So already most of this grease and air filter oil has come off already. I just got a lot of residue left, but it's not even sticky anymore. Now, I have never had a problem with kerosene on this type of material or on cotton. Most of the things that I've read online about using kerosene on foam or on some type of fabric is you just have to wash it with soap and water immediately afterwards. You don't want this sitting in kerosene because, yeah, that will degrade your material. But as soon as we're done, we're going to take it to the sink and wash it with some soap and water. Another tip is have a spare air filter and pre-filter ready to go. That way you can just throw it in your pipe because we're going to have to wait for the filter and the pre-filter to dry after we wash it with soap and water. Now I'm just going to let this dry. I have a backup filter and a pre-filter that I'm going to install on my bike. Then after these dry, I'm going to oil them and put them back in a container. That way I have it ready to go. I know you might be worried that we're reusing the kerosene and there's dirt that I washed away from the old air filters at the bottom of the tub. Well, don't worry about that because we're just using the kerosene to break apart the air filter oil and any grease you might have around the lip of the filter. We're just using that to break down those oils. And the real cleaning is going to come when you use soap and water to clean the air filter out. All right, I'm the Vegas Ranger. Thanks for watching.